Now, without further ado, let's welcome the king of the internet, Nom Nom! Nom Nom's already off to a great start, but it might take more than that to defeat the upcoming sneezy sensation, Panda!
Yeah, here it comes. So real, so fresh. Woohoo!
My name is Panda. I am a panda. I'm a panda bear.
Well, okay, Panda's starting off with something a little unconventional. I guess you never know what people find cute these days.
Hey, what's going on? Why aren't you doing your cute thing?
I don't want to be cute. I want to be cool, like you.
Listen, man, cute is what makes you cool. That's why all these people came to see you.
Do you really think I'm cool?
Man, you got famous on the internet. You got on a talk show. You are the coolest.
Iceberg thinks you're precious.
Oh, thanks, you guys.
He's done it! He's won over the audience! Could this be the turning point for our sniffly Superman?
Job to do. You were supposed to lose. Lose.
Oh, no.
Ew, not cute.
Oh, no.
You guys aren't cute at all. I'm out of here.
Wait, I'm still cute. Look, I can sneeze too. Hey, watch. Hey, you. Clap for me so I can win. Clap for me. Oh, he clapped. He clapped. I win. I am the cutest.
There he is. There's our cute little Pan. You did good, bro.
Thanks, man.
Ice Bear is still proud of you. Proud bear.
Let's go home. Hey, cool lean, bro.
Yes, it's all mine. Get away. Yes, it's all mine. I want it. It's mine. It's mine. Yeah, you better leave. Oh, shh. Yeah, there. I won't let anyone take you. What the? Who's there? Huh? Back again, you loser bear? You can't have my trophy. It's mine. What do you think you're doing? Put me down. Oh, my trophy. Why? No, stop.